Okay, 62 degrees, calm wind. Really no clouds in the sky except way high cirrus. Try to fly down to Whitfield Farm and then over to South Hyco Creek and then back to Winstead. Winstead traffic, ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, taking off runway 32 Winstead. Farms traffic, ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, 4 miles to the north for landing on runway 21 Whitfield. Whitfield Farms traffic, ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, entering left downwind runway 21 Whitfield Farms. Whitfield Farms traffic, ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, turning left base runway 21 Whitfield. Whitfield Farms traffic, ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, turning final runway 32 Whitfield. Runway 21 Whitfield, full stop. Westfield Farms, traffic Ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, taking off runway 3, Whitfield.
Traffic here, C7 out south to 3,500. Southeast, inbound runway 25 is trying to let down there. Out the traffic.
Infield traffic, helicopter central 1 mile, city midfield crossing direct to the west range, Danville. Thank you, Chicago.
Turning speed for the report.
75 out from the for for the aircraft on flight. Signal traffic, 908 uniform, 1 downwind. Booking, critical booking. Traffic, Cherokee 37, short final. 679, try Mike descending pattern altitude left downwind runway 5, out of 2000, Hardy County.
758, 956, turning final for the report, 758.
And how many of those EAA planes are still on the ground waiting to get out?
Signal traffic, 995 Foxtrot, Alpha 8 miles to the southwest, inbound for the left downwind, runway 24, entering on the 45, 5 Foxtrot Alpha.
Signal, Skyhawk 719 early uniform, we'll extend our downwind to let that one plane get out. Guys, driver 679, try Mike, turn up Wind Lake, runway 5, that's Hardy County.
Approximately 4 miles upwind to southwest.
Traffic, RB679, try Mike, turn south across the 95.
Traffic, 75 Alpha, maneuvering at the mountain southwest, looking for traffic, start entering the left downwind now. We'll try to follow them.
Traffic, RB679, try Mike, left downwind, runway 5, Hardy County. Southwest for steps down 177, we'll try to maneuver to follow them in for the 45 left downwind 3/4.
Runway Super Cub is downwind 14 Lake Ridge.
Philadelphia, the yellow Cub, we're heading across the northbound into the runway, and we're going to join the left downwind and make a northbound landing.
Winstead, traffic ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, turning left downwind, runway 32 Winstead.
Traffic traffic. Traffic 393.
Go Akaso Bravo, north, Papa 2 to the south, get always on the field, south north, clearing left downwind, 13, go Akaso.
Control West Super Cub, final 14 Lake Ridge.
Winstead, traffic ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, left base 32 Winstead. Winstead, traffic ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, final runway 32 Winstead, full stop.